Things I don't regret buying. Number 6, my MacBook Air M2. This is very reliable. Gamit ko siya for 3 years now since nag-work from home ako. Backstory muna tayo. Nung pandemic, yun yung time na nag-start ako mag-part-time freelance or maging virtual assistant. And may full-time work ako as a corporate employee. During that time, meron akong gamit na Windows laptop pero hiram lang. So around 2021 yun, yung nag-start ako mag-part-time. And then 2022 ko nabili itong MacBook Air natin. So years of ipon yan, years na akong nag-work sa corporate, around 5 to 6 years na that time. And ito yung first personal laptop ko talaga. This is our bread and butter. So ito talaga yung gamit ko for work since 2022 and 2025 na ngayon. So going 3 years na siya and so far so good. Ang ganda ng quality and aesthetics for me. Yung software, it keeps updating and I see no signs of it slowing down. Very good pa rin talaga for my work. I would say pricey siya that time pero sobrang sulit niya kasi years ko na siyang nagagamit. And I see that years ko pang magagamit. Years of hard work and ipon ito. And masasabi kong na-ROI ko na yung investment natin dito. So kung naghahanap ka ng laptop talaga for work na pang matagalan and you have the budget for it, I suggest MacBook na lang din yung bilhin mo.